In a sun-drenched meadow, three bullocks, black, white, and brown, graze peacefully, their coats gleaming in the bright daylight. The air vibrates with life as the bullocks stay close, a symphony of nature's sounds enveloping their shared feast. They move as one, a harmonious ballet of bovine unity, showcasing their deep, unbreakable bond. The lush, green meadow stretches endlessly, a vibrant paradise under the benevolent sun. From the forest's shadowy edge, a powerful lion observes the trio, hunger blazing in its eyes. The serene vista belies the predator's intent, a silent promise of disruption to the bullock's idyllic peace. Under the vast sky of the meadow, a majestic lion stealthily approaches a bullock resting peacefully under a tree. The lion leans in, its breath a whisper against the bullock's ear, a silent promise of discord. The other bullocks, they don't truly like you, the lion whispers, weaving a tale of deceit. They merely tolerate you, pretending to be your friends behind your back. The bullock recoils, suspicion clouding its eyes as it glances at its grazing companions. The lion melts back into the forest, its insidious plan now set in motion, leaving mistrust in its wake. In the meadow, the brown bullock grazes alone, unaware of the lurking danger that watches from the edge of the trees. The lion explodes from the bushes, a flash of tawny muscle, and the chase begins, the bullock fleeing in terror. Now isolated, the white bullock's eyes widen in horror as it becomes the next target. The black bullock stands alone, stark against the green, as the lion advances with a predatory gleam. A chilling realization dawns, the devastating price of disunity as the lion closes in.